Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to do a mix and match unboxing. If you don't know about mix and match, it is, I think I have the Go For It where I only pay $5 a month, and it looks like they sent me around 10 items. I paid $5, and you can click on my link below and get your own mix and match link, and you can post it in your videos. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Hit that little bell. Please like and subscribe. I do unboxings. I do Stitch Fix, mix and match. I have a trend send that I'm going to be doing as well tomorrow. So if you like these kind of videos and like to see what I got in my mix and match box, keep on watching. Okay, so in the mix and match box, I got, it looks like 3 bundles. Then you get a packing slip and a envelope. And inside the envelope, they have a payment plan, 3 months payment plan, as well as your return label, which goes to UPS. And then it tells you what I got in my Go For It style box. And Lauren is my stylist. She's been my stylist since the beginning. And it says that I have 5 days to decide what I want and then email her back and let her know what I'd like to keep. And she said she looks forward to hearing the thoughts and seeing your video. Last time you were featured on our Facebook page. You're a mix and match star. So that's pretty cool. I'll let her know when the video's up so she can throw it on the mix and match Facebook page. And also go to their Facebook and their Instagram and check out my video. And just like and share it if you like. So it tells you what you got in the box. And here's my price sheet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items, minus my $5 styling fee, which came to $506, which, wow, that's a lot. And 25% discount. So if I keep 5 or more items, I get a 25% discount. So I got 10. So if I keep half, I get 25% off. And then if I keep everything, it's $126.50 off, which comes to $379.50. It seems kind of high, but you never know. So we're going to get into the first bundle here. I'm going to put my other bundles down here, and let's get into this one. This is the biggest one. So let's see what's in. Okay, yep. I remember her saying that she was going to ask me if I liked the camo pants. The ones that I had, these seem a little bit thicker. So the first item is these camo pants. It looks like they have a zipper here, some pockets on the sides, as well as some zippers on the bottom, which is really cute. And in the back, there's 2 pockets. There's no distressing or anything like that, but on the legs you can see that there is some different like patchwork. And let's see if there's prices. Okay, there's prices on here. And these are the wish list gray camo print cargo skinny jeans, size small, and they're $58. Okay, I think I have the other wish list. These have a little bit of stretch in them too, so they're really nice. They're kind of heavy, so they're really, really nice. Okay. The next item here is also by the brand Wishlist, and it looks like a tie shirt, and it's a different kind of material. You can kind of like see through it a little bit. I can see through with the light, and it looks like it has a tie at the waist. So let's see the tag here. This is 286. Okay. Wishlist cement long sleeve wrap belt sweater, size small, and it's $46. It has a little round neck. It's cute. And then this looks like a skirt. So this here is kind of like a cream color skirt. It looks like it has some scalloping on there. It's cute. It looks kind of see-through though. I don't know if you guys can see through this with my hand, but let's see what this is. L22W. Okay, Les Liz Ivory Scalloped Edge Pencil Skirt, and it's $45. It's a size small. So we'll try that on. Okay. Next top is also Les Liz, and this is very stretchy, and it's got some ruffles at the bottom and some stripes. It's cute. It's black and cream. And then this one is, let's see, HT. This is Les Liz Scrunch Striped Peplum Top in size small, and it's $32. Okay, I've seen a couple people get this top. It's really cute. It's kind of see-through. I like the colors. Okay, this is the Skies Are Blue Cobalt Border Print Top with keyhole front, and it's extra small, and it's $42. I love cobalt blue. Cute. It has a little keyhole in the back as well. Okay, that's that bundle. Let's put that bag over there. Okay, let's go to the next bundle. Okay, so this is different. This is a cute top. It's sparkling on the video, and it's sparkling in real life. It's cute. It is a tank. I like it. It's a V-neck, spaghetti strap. Very cute. And let's see. This is 244. Gilly multi-stripe V-neck tank with crisscross back straps. Size small, and it's $32. Cute. Okay. These next item is some Liverpool pants. Cute. They looks like they are folded the bottom here. And let's see how much these are. These are on sale. Okay, Liverpool Buddy Trouser in Faded Seagrass, size 0, normally $89, it's $85. So we'll try those on. Okay, this is a cute top. Okay, this next item is a burnt orange top. It looks like it ties on the side. It's V-neck. Very cute. And let's see how much this one is. Okay. 545. Okay, this is the Wish List V-neck tee with pocket in ketchup, size small, and it's $26. It's cute. Okay, here's another pair of camo pants. I like these. These are really nice. These are actually green camo. I like these. And it looks like there's some distressing as well as a different cut at the bottom, fringed hem. Some distressing on both sides. All right. No distressing in the back, but they're green as you can tell. They're very nice. They have a little bit of give in them, a little bit of stretch. And these are the same brand, the Wish List. And these are the Wish List Distress Olive Camo Skinny Jeans, size extra small, $58. Okay, the other ones they sent were small. These are extra small. All right, and then the last bundle. cute. It's funny because on my trunk club, I asked for a light wash denim jacket, but this looks big. And the sleeves, these are bell sleeves. Okay, so this is a Liverpool jacket. It's really cute. This is the exact wash that I was looking for, but I am not looking for a bell sleeve. I'll try this on. It's very soft. This is really nice. Let's see here. Where's the tag? Here we are. This one was actually on sale as well. And it's on sale for $87. It's the Liverpool bell sleeve denim jacket in a Stockton mid extra small, normally $98, on sale for $87. It's really soft material. It's really cute. Okay, so that's my box. I'm gonna try everything on for you and I'll come right back and let you know. Okay guys, so here is the top. It's really cute. It fits really nice. It has a cute little tie on the side. I like the color. It's something I wouldn't normally gravitate towards, but it fits really nice. I mean, it's nice. Okay guys, so here are the pants. I'm gonna bring it down so you can see the camos. They actually fit like perfect. They're really nice. They fit perfect in the waist. They don't feel like they're gonna fall down or anything like that. The distressing is really nice here. It's not too much. And then the bottom cut is really cute. So I don't know, I think I really like these. They'd be cute with like a white tee. This color doesn't really go with it. So we'll see. Okay, so here's the jean jacket. It's a little bit big on me. I think it's cute. The sleeves don't really bother me. I just think if it was a little bit smaller, I feel like I'm just drowning in it. I don't know. I mean, it's really soft. Like, I would love this in a little bit smaller size, but it's really cute. Like, I love this wash. I wish it didn't have these sleeves and it was a little bit smaller. But otherwise, I mean, it's funny because I really wanted a jean jacket this wash, and I asked it in my trunk club. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so here are the Liverpool pants. These are huge. I'm like swimming in them. They're really not my style. I don't know. They're not really me. I mean, they're really nice material and comfortable, but they're just not my style, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to send these back. Okay, next is the sparkly top. It's cute. I'm not sure if it's really my style. It's adorable. I like the crisscross in the back. It's cute. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, next is this top. These colors are really nice. I like how it has this here. It would be really nice for work. Just not sure if this is 100% my style. So let me know your comments below. Okay, so here's this top. It's really cute. You could kind of see through it though, a little bit right here. It's a little bit short. It fits really nice on me, but I'm not sure if this is really my style. And then next, I'll show you guys the skirt. It's cute, but just not me, unfortunately. I'm just not feeling it. All right, I'm gonna try on the last outfit. All right, guys, so here is the tie top. I'm not sure exactly how it's supposed to go. I really like the sleeves. I really like the top, but if it was more of like a regular shirt, I can't wear stuff that's this short, unfortunately. And I also have the pants on. I mean, they're cute, but I just bought a pair from my last box that are the same camo. These are okay. They fit nice. The pockets just bunch out a little bit, so I'm not exactly sure if I really like these. But I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna let you guys know my final thoughts, so just stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back. My final thoughts, I'm gonna let you know what I liked, didn't like, or if I liked anything. These jeans, the green camo, for $58 were my absolute favorite. I'm leaning on purchasing these. This top was really cute. It was only $26. I like the color. Just not sure if I'm gonna go for it. I have to put it on the maybe pile. This top here with the glitter or sparkles, I'm trying to figure out how it even goes. Let's see here. This one, it was okay. Just not me, so I'm gonna pass on that. These camo pants, I actually bought a pair for my last mix and match box that was the same color, so I'm gonna pass on these. These Liverpool pants, these are a no, they just don't fit. They're huge. I don't really have any luck with Liverpool pants or that brand. It just doesn't work for me. This top, this wrap top, it's too short. I can't wear that. I'm 36 years old, unfortunately. It just won't work for me. This top, this is a no. It's not my style, so I'm gonna pass. This skirt is not really me. I have no need for this. It just doesn't work for me. It's not my style. This top is cute. It's just a little see-through for me. I don't see spending $42 on it. It's really thin, so I'm gonna pass. And then this Liverpool jacket, it just was too big. I was swimming in it. It's just not me. I love the wash though. I wish this was in a smaller size. But Lauren, you did a really good job. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, like I said, please like and subscribe. Hit that little bell in the corner. You'll get notifications of when I upload. So just please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.